Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Nadula Hair Amazon, and this is their Bye Bye Knots reddish brown body wave wig. This wig comes with a 7x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached lace closure. I have this wig in 150% density, 24 inches, and she is 100% human hair. Now, as you guys can see, it is this beautiful, vibrant, reddish brown color, and this wig was super beginner friendly and very quick and easy to install. For all my ladies out there who normally don't really want to do too much, I'm with you on that. And I've been wearing wigs for years, but I still refuse to get a wig where I have to do a whole lot of work. With this one, you do not have to do that, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. They sent some gifts, of course, and they also sent some tape adhesives if you would like to use that. Now here is the hair. It does come pre-curled for you, but you guys know me, I did curl her later on in this video because I prefer fresh curls. I'm giving you guys a close-up of this lace as well as the inside of the wig cap. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add some foundation all over this lace and throw the wig on. I like to make sure everything is tight and secure, and I'm also going to use my wax stick and my comb just to really clear the lace area because I will be using some spray to secure this lace down. So after allowing the lace to melt underneath that elastic band, this is what it's looking like. As you guys can see, the pre-cut lace stops before my natural edges, so I will be adding some baby hairs per the usual. And if you're wondering why I still decided to use the spray, it's because I wanted to melt the lace a little bit better, and also the wig cap was a little big on me, even with the adjustable elastic band in the back. So sometimes adding spray helps me out a whole lot, and if you watch my tutorials, you know I pretty much do that with every single tutorial. So now let's go ahead and move on to styling the rest of the hair. So as you guys can see, it does come pre-curled like I showed you earlier, but the curls to me look a little old, so I brushed them out and I decided that I wanted to re-curl the hair. Obviously this is optional. If you like the way that it looks, then that makes it a whole lot easier for you and you can just go ahead and go on out the door. But to my girlies who like to be a little extra like myself, we're gonna go ahead and refresh the curls. I did use my wax stick on each piece, mostly because the hair did have a lot of flyaways, which you guys know I do not like, and sometimes it's a little hard to see on camera, but basically it just kind of makes the wig look a little messy and there's like little pieces of hair all over the place, and I don't like that. So my wax stick definitely helps with that. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like with both curls. You can definitely tell it's 150% density when it looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through the hair and kind of just create a little bit more volume and just separate the curls. And as you guys can see, it looks so nice. Now, I've had comments previously where people thought that it looked oily because of my wax stick. You guys have to remember, I am in front of so many bright lights when I am filming. In person, it does not look oily. It does not feel oily. It does not feel stiff, but it does look very neat, and it does have a lot of shine to her too, like a nice shine. So yeah, I like it. So it's up to you if you want to use the wax stick or not. You don't have to if you do not want to, but I like to do it. All right, but this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it came out so pretty. I really did like it. I didn't add any layers or anything like that into this one. We kept it very simple. All I did was add some baby hairs, and I also did recurl the hair. If you don't want to do any of that, then you don't have to. And obviously the install portion and the styling will be a whole lot easier for you. And then as far as adding some spray on the lace, that is optional as well. It just helps me out, but if you find that you don't need to do that, then you definitely do not have to do that. All right, make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there per the usual. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this wig. I know a lot of you guys like me in the reddish brown hair. I think a lot of you guys like it a lot better than me. I think it's fun, but you probably won't catch me outside wearing this. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.